If you haven't taken an AI course or haven't started learning anything that has to do with AI, trust me, you are seriously missing out. Hey, HP Foundation is offering free AI courses. Yes, you heard that right. No string attached. This is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting anything from this. I'm just sharing this with you because I want to help my community, which you are part of or can be part of by subscribing or turning on notifications right now. I want to help you guys learn about AI. AI is the next gem, and this is something you guys shouldn't miss at all. The era of Bitcoin is gone. This is the era of AI, and if you don't fall in, trust me, 3 years from now you're going to start regretting. So how do you get these courses? These are courses that will take you from beginner to pro. There are actually 2 courses. One is for beginners and the other is for advanced. Trust me, these courses are well detailed, and the most beautiful thing about it is that you get certification when you're done. If you want to see those courses right now, join me on this ride. Now, the first thing you have to do is to open up your Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device you're using. For Android, you open up Play Store. For Apple device, you open up Apple Store. Okay, once you open up your Play Store, you go over to the search bar and type in the keyword HP Live. Now, once you type in that keyword, you get to see this very app right here, which says HP Live Learn Business. Right, so once you see this very app, you want to download it. Okay, you're going to see the install button. Click on install. Once you install, you're going to see open, and once you are done downloading this, you go ahead and click on that open button and it will lead you to this very app right now. Okay, so you're meant to select your language. I'm going to select English. Of course, you don't have an account, so what you want to do is click on join for free. Like I told you before, you're going to see other courses right here, not just AI courses. You might even see courses that you are interested in. Now, you're meant to enter your email. Okay, make sure you enter your working email, right? So I'm just going to enter mine and click on sign up right now. Now, the moment you click on sign up, you get to see this very notification that says we have sent an email. So you go check your email right now. Once you check your email, make sure you click that email you see at the top right there, which is complete your HP Live account. Once you open up that very email, you want to click on create accounts, and please take note, this link could expire in 25 hours, so you want to make sure you do it immediately. So if you click on create account right now, you have to enter your full name, your email address, your country, your gender, create a new password which must have at least 8 characters, at least 1 number, a capital letter and symbol, and then you go ahead and re-enter that password. And once you're done, you specify how you heard about HP Live course. Next, you take this recaptcha box right here, which says update me on HP Live news and events. Now, this will help you stay updated of new courses that will be released on the platform. And after that, you go ahead and click on sign up. Now, when you click on sign up, sometimes you might encounter an error message. Just go over to your email and look for this email that says HP Live. Okay, just check if you see any message that says welcome to HP Live. Once you see that, then of course you know that you're successfully registered. So here's what you do now. You just head back to the HP Live app right now and close that and open that up again. That is if it doesn't show you this login page, but if it does, just go ahead and click on login and then enter your email address and password. Okay, the email address you just use for the registration right now and that very password. And after that, you go ahead and click on login. If you successfully log in, you go ahead and save your password so you don't have to log in each time you want to access this very app. And then of course you click on yes to stay updated with the latest trend and courses that will be released on the platform. Congratulations, you just created your account and you're now part of the people that stand the chance to learn AI in this beautiful app. Okay, this app was created by HP Foundation and they did this with the goal of creating awareness. Okay, so you can see a lot of courses right here which you can take, so many of them, but the one at the top at the time of creating this video is the AI for business professionals. To change any detail you don't like, click on that hamburger sign at the top left hand corner of your screen, then click on manage your account. This is where you can change any of your login details you don't like. Now, just like I promised, these are the 2 AI courses available on this very app right now. The first one is AI for business professionals and the second is AI for beginners. But we are just going to start with AI for beginners, which is what I would also recommend since you're just starting out. Okay, start with AI for beginners. Even if you are well knowledgeable about AI, I would still recommend you start with AI for beginners. So just click on that and click on enroll right now. All right, once you click on enroll, you can now click on start course, and one of the things you could do is that you could also download this course offline, okay, and watch this offline. Watching it offline doesn't mean you can download straight to your mobile phone, but you can download it on this very app and watch it on this very app. So to start this very course right now, just go ahead and click on start course and you would arrive at this very page. Go ahead and click on start and you get to see this very notice. Please read this. take note, it is very important. You must complete each lesson and all requirements in one sitting to save your progress. Once you click the final blue button at the end of the lesson, your progress will be tracked and you'll be taken to the next lesson, which you can take immediately or another time. I think this is okay. A lot of people complain about this, but I think it's okay because most people would take a course and just abandon it and just go about their business, and by the time they come back they tend to forget everything or just continue from where they stop and not grab the whole process. But if you take this in one sitting and decide to take it again, I believe you get to understand this better, because if you take this and you X out, you would have to start from the beginning again. So it's better you make out time for this and take this in one sitting, and by so doing you get to understand this very course more. So I'm going to click on continue right now. You can see this is the part 1, the introduction to artificial intelligence. You can read this up. This course comes in both text and video form. Let's play one of these video right now.
Welcome to the HP Life course AI for Beginners, and get ready to explore the AI-powered future. From virtual assistants in our homes and phones to smart recommendations across all of our favorite apps. And
so you can see for yourself, these are quality courses. Of course, it's coming from the HP Foundation and they are known for quality. Okay, so you can also go to the explore section to see what people are learning. Now if you click on explore right now, you're going to see newest courses, of course, which is the latest addition, and the most popular, which is what people are currently learning. Okay, courses that people tend to pick the most. Okay, so you can just scroll down and see what people are currently learning. You see courses on how to start a business, communication, cash flow, email, and so many more. Now let's go over to the second AI course, which is AI for business professionals. So let's click on this right now and click on enroll. But before we do that though, you would always see a description which would kind of give you like a glimpse of what you'll be learning inside the course. Alright, let's click on enroll right now. Now the moment you click on enroll, you can now go ahead and click on start course, and this would load up immediately. So this is the course, and we're being met with the same rule, which basically states that if you start a course, you must finish it or you start afresh. This is basically what this notice right here is talking about. So let's scroll down right now and click on continue. Now you can also tilt your screen for the best view. So this is the introduction of the course. Introduction, the stand-alone AI tools with integrated AI features, implementation and next steps, and then conclusion. Now this is the 5 major part of this very course. So we can just go ahead and click on introduction to AI for business professionals right now. Let's play this very video. As a matter of fact, let's just complete this very video because there's something on the next screen which you won't be able to grab if you're just starting out. As a matter of fact, it took me a while before I got to understand it. So let's go over there right now so that I can show you that real quick. Alright, we're done with this, so let's click continue right now. So this is where it gets confusing a little bit. If you look down right here, you're going to see this very button that says complete the content directly above before moving on. Now I know a lot of us will get confused because at first glance that looks like a picture, but it's not. Right, you have to click that plus icon you see right there so that you will be able to complete the tasks you are being asked to. So you just have to click this forward arrow and back, and then you go ahead and read all that, and then click on the course outline by clicking on that hamburger sign at the top right hand corner of your screen which says lesson, and then you go back and that's it. You are done with this lesson. Okay, then you go ahead and click on continue and you'll be redirected to the next page or to the next lesson, all right, which is in video form. So this is basically how this works, right? You get the lesson and you get an assignment, right? This, which is the best way to learn. Okay, so you can go ahead and check out infographic right now and read what this very picture or this text is saying right here, so you get to understand what these tools are meant for. Then you move to the next step. So let's go back to the home section right now. If I click on dashboard right now and click that drop down arrow and click on in progress, you get to see the course you have taken or course that is currently in progress, okay, which is basically course that you have opened up, right? So from here you can easily access the course you have opened up. This is just the best way to find the course that you currently partake in. Again, the most popular section under the explore tab is where you get to see what people are watching or what's trending, right? Which is where you can also discover a lot of courses, right? So there are a lot of courses right here. You can take up any course once you're done with the AI course. This is an education app which I find amazing. So this is it for this video. If you learned something new today, then leave a like and share this very video to your friends and family so that they also get to learn from the knowledge on this very platform. In the coming days, I'm going to be releasing more information like this, and if you don't want to miss out, make sure you follow our social media community in the description of this very video. And also subscribe and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I drop that video, you'll be one of the first to get notified. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.